Okay, so in this exercise we are going to differentiate this rather complicated expression, an exponential expression, 3e to the 4x squared minus 2x plus 1. So again, if we differentiate y, we get dy dx. Now this whole expression in e, this whole e part, is multiplied by a constant 3. And whenever you're multiplying by a constant, you just keep it. Okay, so we're going to keep that 3. So whenever you're multiplying an expression by a constant, you just keep it. The basic rule for exponentials for e's is that you keep everything you've got. So it's going to be 3e to the 4x squared minus 2x plus 1. So exponentials tend to be very simple. You just, whatever you have, you keep. You then have to do the extra step, which is to multiply all of that. So you're going to put it in parentheses because there's going to be more than one term in your answer here. You're going to multiply all of that by the derivative of the power. So now you're going to differentiate the power and put the answer here in parentheses. So if we differentiate the power, 4x squared will become 8x, minus 2x will just become minus 2, and plus 1 will disappear. Okay, so there is how we have it. We can write it a couple of different ways. We can distribute the 3 into the 8x minus 2. That's certainly all right. Or we can simply write it as 3 times 8x minus 2 on e to the 4x squared minus 2x plus 1, where you're bringing the polynomial part of it to the front and the exponential to the end. But that is cosmetic. When you get it here, you've got the right answer. So remember what it is. You keep the constant. When you differentiate an e, you get exactly the same thing. So this part comes from differentiating the e, and then we have to multiply that by the derivative of the power. Okay, hopefully that clears that up for you. Any questions you have, just ask.